How to buy iPhone from Apple Store online. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to assist you in the process of buying iPhone from Apple Store online. Purchasing an iPhone from the Apple Store online is a relatively simple task in today's world. Today I'll guide you through the process of buying an iPhone from the Apple Store online. To begin, I'll open my web browser and search Apple Store online and hit enter. Once I reach the website, which is apple.com/store, I will proceed to select the product I wish to purchase. Let's say I want to buy an iPhone, so I'll navigate to the iPhone section over here and choose the specific model I desire, such as iPhone 15 Pro. I'll click on it. After selecting the desired model, I'll click on the buy button, which will lead me to the next page. On this page, I'll need to specify the phone's specifications. Now it will ask you to choose a model which is best for you. Let's do iPhone 15 Pro. Then after finish by picking your favorite color, let's say white titanium. Then also choose a storage, like how much space do you need in your phone. Let's do 128 GB. As you can see, there is also an option to trade your old phone, but I'll choose not to and proceed with the purchase. After making these selections, I'll click on buy and continue through the process, ensuring to carefully review my selections. Once I have added the product to the bag, I'll proceed to review my cart, and after that I'll proceed to check out. At this stage, I'll skip the login and continue as a guest. I will then input my zip code and complete the remaining address details, choosing between the delivery or pickup based on my preference, and that's it. This is how you can buy iPhone from Apple Store online. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.